Calculate the electrostatic force between two electrons separated by a distance of 1.0 times 10 raised to the power of negative 10 meter. Okay, we are asked to calculate the electrostatic force between two electrons separated by a distance. Okay, solution. The distance is what? 1.0 times 10 raised to the power of negative 10 meter. Okay, now what is the charge of electron? Don't forget that I told you that electron is referred to as negative elementary charge. The simple reason is because it has a magnitude that is equal to that of elementary charge, but the value is negative, you understand? By research, electron is negatively charged. So that means that Q1 is equals to Q2, and this is equals to negative 1.6 times 10 raised to the power of negative 19 Coulomb. Do you understand? Okay, so with respect to what we have on the board, you can easily determine the force of attraction between these charges. Okay, so the force of attraction between them is Q1, Q2. We are still going to make use of this formula. So 9.0, which is K, times 10 raised to the power of 9 multiplied by Q1. Q1 is the same thing as Q2, you understand? So I'm going to have negative 1.6 times 10 raised to the power of 9 multiplied by negative 1.6 times 10 raised to the power of 9. All of this all over the distance. So I'm going to have 1.0 times 10 raised to the power of negative 10 squared. Okay, so the force of attraction or the electrostatic force between them is. Now listen, I want to ask you a question. With respect to this question, the force of attraction, will it be repulsive or attractive? You understand? I'm just asking you a question. Let's say you just come across this kind of a question in exam. You are given this question and they now ask you this question. What is the force of attraction between these charges, and will it be attractive or repulsive? The answer is that it will be repulsive, and the simple reason is because the signs are the same. You understand? Opposite charge, they attract each other, while non-opposite charge repels each other. You understand? Charges that are opposite, like if you have a positive charge and a negative charge, they're going to attract each other. Okay, while the other one, maybe positive positive, they're going to repel each other. You understand? So I'm going to have 9.0 or 9 times 10 raised to the power of 9 multiplied by negative 1.6 times negative 1.6, that is 2.56. Okay, then 10 raised to the power of, oh sorry, this should be negative 19, negative 19, negative 19. Okay, there is a mistake. Elementary charge is 1.6 times 10 raised to the power negative 19, so I forgot to put the negative 1. I forgot to put the 1, so include it. Now 10 raised to the power negative 19 times 10 raised to the power negative 19, that is what? 10 raised to the power of negative 38. Do you get? Okay, all this all over 1.0 times 10 raised to the power of negative 10 squared, that is 1.0 times 10 raised to the power negative 20. So I'm going to have, just put it. Okay, so the electrostatic force is now, okay, 9 times 2.56, that is 23.04. 23.04 times, now 10 raised to the power of 9 times 10 raised to the power negative 38, that is 10 raised to the power of 10 raised to the power negative 29. Okay, so this all over 10 raised to the power of negative 20. Okay, do you understand? So the force equals to 23.04 times 10 raised to the power of that is negative 9. So that is the, you put Newton. Okay, don't forget the units. So the magnitude of the force between these charges, negative 1.6 times 10 raised to the power negative 19, is 23.04 times 10 raised to the power of 9. If you understand, listen to the explanation again. And from this step, I just divide this by this. That's why I got 10 raised to the power negative 9. You understand? 2 point charges, Q1 and Q2, are separated by a distance of 0.3 meter. If the magnitude of the electrostatic force between them is 100 Newton, and Q1 equals to
To watch the complete class, kindly click on the link in the description of this video or the comment section, okay? See you in the next class.